Have this Saturn, and it's got the security light flashing, and sometimes the alarm when starts and activates by itself. So I'm going to put the scanner.
That's Gabriel, Auto Technician, 413,
Check
Highway
if
100.
it shows some codes. Saturn Vue. Okay, 2003 Saturn Vue 2.2. Line 4 Reconnecting, sequential fuel injection. Okay. Let's see. Let's check the engine. Automatic transmission, yes. Display codes. CC power management mode or engine stall. Okay, that's a problem. Lost communication with body control system. P1599. Okay, let's check CC power. CC power management mode or engine stall. Okay, we found these two codes, which is the CC power management mode or engine stall, and the U2107 lost communication with body control system. And right here, let's go to troubleshooting on the scanner. Engine. Okay, let's go to code tips because we have two codes. Let's find the P1599, which is right here. Okay, P1599, right there. It says P1599 engine stall detected. ETC sets when ECM detects engine stall or near stall condition with ignition still activated. Okay. If other DTCs are set with the P1599, diagnose first. Okay, so we need to diagnose the U2107. Maybe the one is causing this one. See, in this one it's U, which is the body. Body, U is for the body. 2107 lost communication with body control system. Okay, so we need to find right here the EU, but we don't have EU on this scanner. See? So we need to find it through another source. See, right there. There we got nothing right here. So we need to find okay, let's find out the codes. Well, this code. I'm gonna get the information and I'll let you know. Okay, we have this to check the U2107 And what I'm gonna check is the current. See, I'm gonna check if there's current right here. This one, current right here, current right here, and current right here, and the ground, this one. And there's no other grounds, so that's what I'm going to check on the module. We need to remove this part because the body control module is right under this thing. Okay. Right. Now we need to remove this part right here. As you can see, there's 4 screws right here. Let's remove these bolts, screws. I'm trying to communicate with the body control module. I'm trying to get the codes or whatever. Try to communicate, display codes, and there's no communication. I need to make sure if it's getting current from the switch, which is this is the battery, this one, and this is from the switch. No, this one, ignition switch. Need to check this fuse too, and all these fuses right here. Make sure they're okay. I didn't check it yet, but I'm gonna check first if it's current right here on these ones. All these, all of them. She's not communicating with the computer, with the main computer. It's a data display, no communication. Okay. I just want to show you that because I checked it before, and then check before replace the parts. We don't want to replace good parts and make the customer spend $200, $300, $400 on a part. And that's not the problem. Need to check wires first. Okay. Now we got this one loose. Let's pull it out. Disconnect the hazard switch. Disconnect the switches here. Okay. Disconnect the AC switch or later remove this part from the plastic. I'm gonna remove the switch complete, because there's no way we can remove this one. We can remove the connections, but not these wires. So I'm gonna have to remove that switch from there, and right here the control module. You can see the body control module. This one. Maybe we can check it right there without removing this. Okay. We need to remove that body control module. It only slides in, but it's hard to pull it out. I've been trying to get it out because we check everything. We have all the information here, and we check all the current grounds and everything. Everything is okay. The only thing it's bad is the body control module. See, we have everything. We check everything. We check the wiring, all the things, and I have here how to program the module without the Tech 2 scanner. So I'm gonna show it to you. I'm gonna put the new one in. That's the old one. I got the new one right there. And first, I'm going to disconnect the battery. Let's remove this cover right here. Cover, battery cover. Now let's disconnect the negative of the ground wire. Okay, let's set the wire away. This one we can put it away so with the movement doesn't touch it. Doesn't touch the terminal. Okay, now that we have the battery disconnected, let's go inside. We have the new, or reman, not new. We have the reman body control module right here. I get it from the dealer because nobody has it aftermarket, and it comes with the 2 key fobs. It's better, I think it's better to get it from the dealer, because I call AutoZone, O'Reilly's, and the other guys, they don't have it, or they have it one day and the next day I call again to get it, and they didn't have it anymore, and they didn't come with the, or it didn't come with the key fobs. Right here, this one, I get it from the dealer, comes with the new key fobs. So I'm gonna slide the old body control module out. We have the battery disconnected already, and we're gonna connect this one and start the programming, like you say here, body control module programming or RPO configuration, and we're gonna follow all these steps. See? And this is to program the key fobs, programming theft deterrent system components, which is the same steps, but this is here's a, if you have the Tech 2 scanner, it's 10 minutes, 40 minutes. But if you don't have it, we're gonna do the 30-minute learn procedure, which is a little bit longer, but I think it's easier. You need to do all these steps with the Tech 2. These only 5 steps with the 30-minute learn procedure. So we're going to remove the old one and put the new one in.
That's GabrielAutoTech.
What's next?
413
Okay.
Highway 100 in
Disconnect this one. I disconnected before. Tried to remove it. I didn't have the new one, so I have to order it. Let's remove our body control module. It's got this tab right here, but it won't let me push it. down right there. Okay, now this one we need to slide it out only. See, it needs to be just pulled out, but it's got this tab holding. This one is out. I'm gonna have to pull it right there. See, right there. Just pull it out. Now let's push this one in. See, show it to you. Just a small tab. Where is it? Oh, you can see the tab. Okay, just push this one. Slide it in. Okay, push it in right there. It's secure. Now let's connect all the connectors. Okay. And I'm going to put everything on because we have nothing to do here anymore. I'm gonna put everything on. Okay, let's put all this stuff back in there. Let's connect the hazard switch. This other switch right here. See? Got both switch connected. Now let's push this one in place. Okay. Push them in. Now let's put the screws. This right here. We need to put the screws right here on the bottom. There are four screws that holds the lower part of the control panel. Okay, now window switches. Here, this one for the lighter. This one for the mirrors. Now let's push this one in this other side. All right. I'll just push this part first, and then I'm gonna have to put this one first. There's no way I can push them in later because there's not too much room. Right there. Now we can push it in. Push it in place. Okay, right there. Right there. You got it. Now, let's program the body control module. We're gonna remove this one. It's not good anymore. We have everything here installed. Let's connect. Let's connect the battery so we can program the module. Wire, cable, now let's connect. Let's put the cover right there. Okay, now we're going to need to take the time. Let's see if this is gonna start. Need to wait 10 minutes.
Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance and repairs for your auto and truck. Air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission,
We need to wait
cooling
10
systems,
minutes.
fan belts, ball joints.
This
What's
light.
on the car? Gabriel Auto.
You can see it right there, the security line light.
Diagnostics.
It's gonna
Gabriel Auto Technician,
flash.
413 Highway 100.
Or it's gonna turn off.
That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100.
Then we're going to, when the light turns off, we're going to turn the key off for 5 seconds and then repeat the same thing for another 10 minutes. And then again. Let me get the battery for the camera. Okay, it's going. Takes 30 minutes to do it. Okay. 4 minutes to go. The first attempt. Minutes 21 seconds. Takes a little bit of time, but with this method you don't have to buy the Tech 2 scanner. I have the Snap-on scanner, but it's not capable of doing this. You need to do this every time you change the key cylinder, the computer, or the body control module, like we're doing now. 2 minutes 16, 15, 14 seconds. One minute. The light's gonna turn off, that security light. When that goes off, we need to turn the key off and wait 5 seconds. It's going. 14 seconds, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. The light, turn the key off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start. Turn the key on. Start it. Okay, now it's start. Another 10 minutes. Here's the procedure. Getting ready. 1 minute. 49. 46. 30 seconds. 15 seconds. Turn the key off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Crank the engine. Okay, leave it on. Wait another 10 minutes. Okay, let's wait. Okay. Three minutes to finish the programming. Two minutes. We're gonna finish. Actually, you don't need this chronometer. Just keep watching the light until it goes off. But it's better to have something to guide you. But this time this engine should start because it's gonna be programmed. That's the third time already. Okay, going down. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's start it. It's running. Let's stop. It's running. Okay. Got it. Now we need to check the key fobs if it's gonna work. If not, we need to program the key fobs too. See? Got this engine running. It's not missing anymore. It was missing too. Okay, let's check the key fobs. Okay. Now let's see if the key fobs they're gonna work.
Get your preventative maintenance now and save
Now
money
we need to
tomorrow.
program
All types of maintenance repairs for your auto
the key fobs too.
heating, tune-ups, brakes,
That's gonna be
transmission, heating
tomorrow.
system, band belt, ball joints. It's on the car. Gabriel
Right now
Auto
it's a little bit late.
Featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.
Close the doors. Okay. It's working. Yep. This one's working. This other one should be working. Okay. So everything works. Got the 2 key fobs. I'm gonna put it on the key. Give it to the customer. And we got it ready. No more alarm goes off. The missing engine. Got it. Let's park it outside. And we're gonna call a customer tomorrow. See? Everything works fine. I need to get the scanner to erase the memory. I disconnect the battery, but that's not going to erase the memory of the computer. Okay. We have it already here. That's kind of memory. History. Saturn Vue. Display code, so we have the key off right there. The codes from whiteboard relay. Oh, it's because I got it working when I was programming them. Okay. History codes. Okay, I'm gonna erase all the codes. Okay. Let's turn the key off. Turn it on. Now clear codes. Yes. Data display. Okay. Let's see. Because I was in the body control module. Right now it's communicating. Before it wasn't. See, everything is working. That's where I was screen codes on the body control module. Right now we have everything on the body control module showing right here. Rear defog switch, rear defog relay, everything is showing right now. Before it wasn't communicating with the body control module. Right now it's working. Everything is communicating. See? I don't know if you can see or not. You should see. Okay. See, everything is working fine. I'm going to check the engine, the codes on the engine. See what's showing automatic transmission, display codes. Okay, I'm gonna clear this code because it's still showing the codes on the memory, so I'm gonna clear them. But we have We have everything working. Turn the key off. And turn the key on again. Clear code right here. Yes. Say continue. Let's clear code. We have the codes. So we got everything working fine. Transmission. Codes. We lost communication with body control system, which I'm gonna clear that code too, because it's fixed. Codes here. Yes. That's it. Display codes. Okay, no codes. That is clear. I'm gonna clear all of them because maybe all of them wasn't communicating with the body control module. And right now it's gonna still showing that on the memory of the old computers. That's why I'm replacing all the codes. Codes. It's clear. This truck doesn't have the option to clear all the codes on everything. So we need to go clearing codes on every computer. Like power steering. Before, the power steering doesn't want to work either. It was hard because it wasn't communicating with the body control module. So clear codes. Yes. Okay, let's go back. Okay, instrument and cluster. Let's clear everything. There's no code right there. Oil specs, service interval reset. Well, I'm not going to clear that one because we didn't do any service to the engine. And tire wheel service, well, that's it. We have everything clear, everything working fine. We're going to have a happy customer, like always. All my customers. Okay.
Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance from Paris for your auto and truck. Air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling systems,
Thank you very much for watching.
It's on the car.
I will be
Fix it or replace it.
uploading more videos.
Diagnostics.
Okay.
Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.